Sometimes fluid art paintings don't go exactly as planned, and this one had a few surprises. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. In today's acrylic pouring video, I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using sky blue, primary blue, and silver to create a swipe painting. To begin, I cover the entire canvas with a base coat of sky blue. This base layer does not contain any cell activator. It simply creates a smooth background that allows the colors to move easily across the surface once the swipe begins. Next, I add primary blue along one side of the canvas, followed by lines of silver paint to introduce a metallic element to the composition. For the swipe, I mix cell activator into the sky blue paint that will be used with the napkin. This mixture helps create cells and movement as the paint is pulled across the canvas. Using a wet napkin, I gently swipe the paint across the surface. As the napkin moves, the colors stretch and interact, revealing organic patterns and textures within the paint. After completing one side of the canvas, I repeat the same process on the other side so the movement can travel across the paint and create a sense of balance. I noticed that the primary blue didn't seem to glide across the canvas as easily as other colors. Instead of moving smoothly with the swipe, it felt thicker and more resistant to movement. This can sometimes happen when a paint have a heavier pigment or slightly thicker consistency than the other colors being used. Primary blues often contain strong pigments, which can make the paint feel a little denser compared to lighter colors like sky blue. When that happens, the paint may spread differently and create a stronger visual presence in the painting. And in this case, the primary blue definitely decided to take center stage. Like many fluid art paintings, this one also came with a few unexpected moments. I poured a little more primary blue than I intended, and once the swipe began, the colors quickly started to take over the canvas. The primary blue became much stronger than I anticipated, spreading across the surface and dominating the composition. Because of that, the sky blue base that originally covered the entire canvas began to lose some of its presence in the painting. Instead of standing out as a soft foundation, it became more subtle as the darker primary blue moved across it. At one point, I thought tilting the canvas might help balance the colors, and it did work somewhat, allowing the paint to move and shift across the surface. But tilting the canvas doesn't always fix the problem. Sometimes it simply introduces a new element into the painting. Fluid art has a way of changing directions when the painting begins to move, and that movement can create new shapes and patterns that weren't part of the original plan. Some people will really enjoy those unexpected changes, and others might not, but that's part of what makes each painting unique. At this point, you might be wondering, why am I adding more blue? Honestly, I don't know. I wish someone had tapped me on the shoulder and said, okay, that's enough blue, put the paint down. But when you're in the middle of a fluid art painting and trying to fix things, your brain starts making some interesting decisions. Sometimes those decisions work out beautifully, and other times they just create a whole new direction for the painting. And that's part of the adventure with fluid art. Once the paint starts moving, you're kind of along for the ride. So of course I thought maybe adding a little more silver would help. Well, it didn't really shimmer the way I imagined. Instead, it mostly decided to look gray. And that is the process of fluid art. You live and you learn. Even with those surprises, the movement of colors still created a strong sense of flow across the canvas. The blues moved across the surface in layered waves, giving the paint a soft, atmospheric feeling. Fluid art is always a balance between planning and discovery, and each painting teaches something new about how color and movement interact. If you enjoyed watching this painting come together, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And as always, remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.